Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into eBay and locating the recent order you want to change. Once signed in, go to Purchases or My eBay and open that order page. This is where controls live. Make sure the item's seller allows address updates. Some listings lock address changes after purchase, because that determines your next move. If you have multiple addresses saved, confirm which one you intend to use now and prepare any correct street, unit, or postal code details before proceeding. Once on the order page, look for Change Delivery Address or the Contact Seller button. Select the appropriate action. If eBay allows an on-page address edit, enter the exact address, save, and confirm immediately. eBay usually shows if it accepted the update. If the option is disabled, message the seller directly. Include your order number, full corrected address, and a polite request asking them to update shipping. Make sure you send that message quickly and check the seller's response for confirmation. You finish by confirming the change. Refresh the order page and verify the new address appears in Purchases and your saved addresses. Do this within 24 to 48 hours. If the seller cannot or will not update the address, request an order cancellation so you can reorder with the correct details. If the item already shipped, immediately contact the carrier with tracking info and the corrected address. If that fails, open an eBay resolution, request to report delivery issues, and preserve proof of your communications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.